Hi guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to navigate on this device. So basically you've got here the gesture navigation. So for example, if you want to enter some particular panel, just mark it, click on the tab to open it. You can scroll using your fingers just by sliding, then open some particular recipe the same way. But also you can scroll. Let me just go back. You can also scroll just like this. So if you have, for example, if you're in the middle of preparing the recipe and you just want to check it with your finger without touching your screen, just use this button like this. And this is it. So you can navigate, go back by tapping on back button, scroll up, down the same way, tap to open, and this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.